In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT like a pro. We'll walk through step-by-step how to get better answers with smarter prompts, unlock hidden features like document analysis and image generation, prep for interviews, manage complex projects, and even build your own custom GPT from scratch. Whether you're a student, entrepreneur, content creator, or just curious about AI, this full tutorial will show you how to turn ChatGPT into your personal assistant, coach, and creative partner. So, if you're ready to go beyond the basics and actually get results, let's dive in. First, let's talk about custom instructions, a powerful feature that lets you personalize how ChatGPT interacts with you. To access it, log into your account, click on your profile picture, go to Settings, then select Personalization, and finally click on Custom Instructions. Here, you'll find two main sections. In the first, you can describe yourself, like your interests, profession, or goals, so ChatGPT better understands your context. In the second, you can specify how you'd like it to respond. For example, you might say, "Always break things down as if I'm completely new to the topic," or "Use bullet points when explaining steps." Once you save your preferences, ChatGPT will remember them in every conversation going forward. That means no more repeating yourself or reshaping the tone every time. Every response will feel more tailored, consistent, and aligned with your personal style. This feature is perfect for students, professionals, or creators who want a more efficient and customized experience with the AI. Next up, PDF and document analysis. And this might be one of the most underrated tools in ChatGPT. Let's say you're handed a long document, like a 70-page market report or a dense legal agreement. Instead of reading the whole thing, you can now upload it directly into ChatGPT and get instant answers. Here's how. Click the plus icon as if you're adding an attachment. Upload your document. It could be a PDF, a Word file, or even a PowerPoint slide deck. Once uploaded, you can ask questions like, "What marketing strategies are recommended in this report?" "Summarize the budget section from this proposal." Another useful trick? You can download any important info or data it pulls for you with a simple download button. You can also ask it to compare two documents. Try something like, "How does this business plan differ from last year's version?" ChatGPT will highlight key differences, helping you analyze faster and more clearly. For researchers, business owners, or students, this is a huge productivity boost. Let's move on to a super practical feature, interview preparation. This is hands down one of the best ways to use ChatGPT if you're aiming to land a job or polish your interview skills. Getting started is easy. Just tell ChatGPT the role you're preparing for. For example, "I'm applying for a data analyst role at a fintech startup." Next, share a brief background, things like your education, work experience, and skills. This helps ChatGPT tailor the questions to match your profile and the position. Now type something like, "Run a mock interview for this job." It will begin asking you realistic questions, one at a time, just like a real interviewer would. You type out your responses, and after each one, you can say, "How can I improve my answer?" ChatGPT will offer detailed feedback and suggestions to make your answers more structured, confident, and impactful. Want an extra challenge? Ask it to simulate a tough interviewer, maybe someone cold and skeptical, or one who fires off rapid technical queries. It's a fantastic way to boost your confidence and readiness before the actual interview. If you've ever felt overwhelmed trying to manage a big, complex project, this next feature will change the way you work. ChatGPT can act as your personal project management assistant. Whether you're launching a product, organizing a community event, or building a new website, ChatGPT can help you break it all down into manageable pieces. Here's how to get started. First, describe your project in simple terms. For example, "I'm building a mobile app for local food delivery." Give it the big picture goal along with key details, like your timeline, team size, budget constraints, or specific tools you're using. Then ask, "Can you break this project into clear phases?" ChatGPT might outline steps like planning, development, testing, promotion, and launch. Next, say, create a timeline with milestones and deliverables. It'll give you a structured roadmap from start to finish. Want to be proactive? Ask, what potential risks should I watch out for? This helps you anticipate problems before they happen. It's like having a project manager on call 24/7 without the overhead. Now let's explore something visual, image analysis and generation. Yes, ChatGPT can actually work with pictures too. If you want to analyze an image, the process is simple. Click the plus icon to upload your image, then ask a specific question about it. The key here is to be clear and focused. Ask something like, can you explain the components of this electrical circuit? The more specific your question, the more accurate and helpful the answer will be. Now let's talk about generating images from scratch. ChatGPT is integrated with 𝐷ALL-E, an image generation tool. Just type in a detailed prompt describing exactly what you want. For example, create an illustration of an astronaut standing on an alien planet with 2 moons surrounded by glowing plants in a cinematic style. The more detail you include, like colors, lighting, mood, or artistic style, the better the results. And if you don't love the first version, no problem. You can ask for adjustments like make the lighting softer or add mountains in the background. It's like having your own personal digital artist on standby, ready to bring your ideas to life. If you do a lot of writing, or even if you only occasionally need to produce something polished and professional, ChatGPT's advanced writing assistance is a total game changer. This tool isn't just for fixing grammar or generating quick ideas. It can function as a full-fledged writing partner that helps you build structure, refine your tone, and make your writing more impactful and readable. To use it well, start by giving ChatGPT some context. Tell it what you're working on, like, I'm writing a white paper on cybersecurity for small businesses. Next, define your audience and tone. For example, this is for professionals in the tech industry and should sound authoritative but approachable. If you're stuck at the beginning, ask it to generate an outline. Create an outline for an article on the benefits of hybrid work culture, and it will start generating the outlines. It's like having a personal editor and writing coach available 24/7, ready to elevate whatever you're working on. And finally, one of the most powerful features, and a personal favorite, is the ability to build your own custom GPTs. That's right, you can now create a tailored version of ChatGPT that's specifically designed for your unique needs. Here's how to do it. Open ChatGPT and look at the sidebar. You'll see a section labeled Explore GPTs. Click on it, then hit the Create button. This opens up a step-by-step setup that's incredibly easy to follow. You'll start by describing what your GPT should do. For example, I need a virtual consultant that helps me manage e-commerce inventory. Then, you'll go through a guided configuration where you define its tone, expertise, preferred tools, and behavior. You can test it in real time by asking sample questions to see how it responds. If something feels off, just go back and fine-tune it. Once you're satisfied, you can choose to keep it private for personal use or make it public so others can benefit too. You can even add a custom name and upload a profile image. Don't just test obvious scenarios. Try edge cases, unexpected questions, or tricky prompts. That's how you ensure your custom GPT performs well under any condition. Remember, the more clearly you guide it, the more powerful and personalized your results will be. If you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a like, subscribe for more practical AI content, and let me know in the comments how you use ChatGPT in your daily life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.